Hi there, 7th graders. We are on to week 15, and this is our last week of new content. Next week, we will be finishing up the end of Unit 2, and then we will be about done with the semester. So we're getting real close there. So make sure you're following this schedule. We have a couple of things to do. We're learning about a couple of earthquakes. Maybe you heard about the earthquake up in Alaska this past weekend, and we're going to be looking at earthquakes in China and how the government and people of China reacted with those. So what I would like for you to do, first of all, as always, if you have any questions or anything, start in the Start Here folder. That's where almost all of your questions will be answered. And as I said, we are getting into week 15. Two things. First of all, we have this quiz. You can take it twice. I suggest taking it once so you know what questions you're looking for. Then go through there's 7 pages of this internet newspaper website where the information will be, and then take it again, get 100%. So that will be the first earthquake. And then the second assignment is this discussion, China and the Internet. The important thing in this one is that you will, what you need to do is you will take the role of a Chinese government official who is writing a report on how to handle the next natural disaster in China. You will recommend, and you're recommending as if you are this Chinese official, what the Chinese government will do. So you're not writing as if you're a 12, 13-year-old in the United States. You put yourself in the role of a Chinese government official. And of course, you're doing this after you watch the TED Talk video, which is attached down here. So as you say, you are not writing this as a 7th grader in Colorado. You are writing from the perspective of a Chinese government official who is expected to keep control of the people. All right? So that's what we're learning about here. This is from somebody else's perspective, not your own. And your responses, as you respond to 2 of your classmates, your responses will be from the perspective of a Chinese reporter or a Chinese citizen. All right? And when you are done, reread your posts and the directions when you are done to make sure you completed this assignment fully and completely. If you have any questions, please let me know. And just remember, we're getting close to the end of the semester here, so let me know if you have any questions at all. And with that, I will see some of you on Wednesday and talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.